welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be unboxing and then reviewing and demoing this electric foot warmer by Lotzi. It's a nice fleece electric foot warmer. Specifically fits over your feet and keeps your feet warm. It is machine washable. It warms cold hands and feet. You can use it on your hands as well. There's a non-slip surface on the bottom there. A couple of features: 1 to 12 hour timer setting, 10 heat settings, 2-hour auto shut off. Has fast heating, it is machine washable, and it has overheating protection. So let's open up the box and check it out. And here you go. This is it. Let's get it out of the bag here. And you do have instructions included in here to tell you how to use it. And this is the foot warmer itself. Now you can see the interior is this nice, really soft plush fleece, very soft velvety feeling interior. So your feet or your hands will be very, very comfortable in there, which is great. You can see this bottom has these cute little like dog paw prints on the bottom, and those are all rubber. So that's what's going to keep it from slipping and keep it in place if you have it on the floor. You can also see that it does unzip so that you can take the warming pad out of it in order to wash this. So that's really, really nice. Great feature that it has that. Also has this detachable power cord. So the power cord there, you can detach that if you need to. And it's got a nice long power cord. I'm going to say this is looking like it's probably about 3.5 to 4 feet long. There you go. And then you've got your length of cord to plug in, and then your cord that goes to the actual pad, and then you've got your controller here. You've got your plus and minus to control the heat settings, and then you've got your timer button there and your power on off button, and then your display here, which I'm assuming is going to light up once we plug it in so you can see exactly what you're setting it to. Anyway, that's how it comes in the box. So now let's jump over and check out this guy in action. Okay, so you're lying on your bed or you're sitting out on the sofa with your foot on a bench, and you've got your nice cozy foot warmer. You can just stick your feet up in there like that, and then power this thing on, set the level that you want and how long you want it to stay on for. And then it just heats up, and very, very nice and warm and super cozy. So the operation on this is quite simple. You've got your power button here to power it off or power it on. You've got your timer button here for 1 hour, 6 hours, or 12 hours, and it'll cut off automatically. Of course, you can just turn it on and off manually when you want to. And then you've got your heat levels here, and you've got your plus or minus. Right now it's on 7. It goes from 1 to 10, so I can take it down to 2. And I will say it gets very, very warm. If you're someone who likes a lot of heat, the level 10 would be too much for me. For me, 5 to 7 is probably, for me, really, really warm. 1, 2, 3 probably is what I would leave it on most of the time, just because I'd want it a little bit of warmth. And the way it works, the part on the bottom here is what gets hot, and that's all the way the entire thing gets hot. And then this top part is sort of like a blanket just to insulate and keep that heat in and keep it in on your feet. So the bottom is what gets warm, and then the top part serves as like a blanket or insulator to trap the heat so that it feels very warm. It feels very nice on a cool night. You know, if your feet are warm, it makes your whole body feel warm. So it works really well. It heats up really quickly. It doesn't take any time at all, like 30 seconds, a minute, and it is definitely pumping out the heat. So very, very nice product, very well made, and definitely a product I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel to keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.